It is 6 something in the morning. My husband's asleep. My daughter is getting up for work. My son is up, surprisingly. He's an early bird though. He didn't have school. Yesterday I got off of work and I went straight to sleep. I had a serious headache. It was so bad, like it was bad. Like the light was messing with my eyes, and I tried my best to push through work, but yeah, so.
This is a little power nut. All right, there you go.
Thanks, son. That's my son. Which he needs to come over here and put this bag in his trash can. Like I told him yesterday before I went to bed. I went to bed, y'all, at 5 o'clock and just got up. I had took some medicine for my headache because it was serious, y'all. It's raining outside here in Texas, y'all. Raining. I waxed the middle of I need to do my eyebrows, y'all, but I tried to wax the middle of my eyebrows right here. The little unibrow thing, can y'all see that? And literally, that's why I don't wax, because it breaks me out so bad. But I wax my lip, but this part, I just use a razor to get the middle, because y'all, this is what I have to deal with afterwards. That's the aftermath. So when I come back from dropping my daughter off, I'm going to get my face together, make myself look presentable, feel good about myself. You know, when I put makeup on, I feel a lot better too. I love makeup. I'm a girl that loves to dabble in makeup. And then get everything started. I'm a late starter, but hey, sooner or later. I'm not doing dressing because I just talked to my mom. She stated that she has more than enough dressing. She has sweet potatoes, fresh sweet potatoes, and I was just about to go to the store to buy some sweet potatoes. Thank God I can save $1 there and on dressing. But I am going to get the pie crust because I'm making sweet potato pies. So I may make one for her house too. So yeah. But my Thanksgiving is going to be simple. It's just a smoked turkey. It's a smoked turkey, and I love green bean casserole. But anyways, y'all, let me get started. I'm still in the kitchen, still getting it together. I'm about to do my green bean casserole. And so yeah, I'm about to open up this can. I have my pan ready, y'all. Come on and check on in. It is now, I believe it's like 10:40 or something of that sort. I hope you guys are having a wonderful Thanksgiving. My Thanksgiving is simple. As I stated, I'm gonna get some dressing from my mom, so that saved me some money. When you can save, you save. So I'm gonna get dressing from her because she said she made a big pan. It's just her, my dad, and my grandma. So we'll basically just get some from her, and then we'll do it that way. My sweet potatoes are ready now, y'all. I was gonna put them in the oven, but I went ahead and boiled them because I just had to peel the skin off. Anyways, so your girl is about to make these green bean casserole. I love green bean casserole, but I find that a lot of us, it is not on the main menu. For a lot of us, we're like greens and what do you call that? Greens, cabbage, green beans, and potatoes. But the casserole is not on the menu, and I'm like, listen, I love a good green bean casserole. If you do it right, yeah, it's gonna be good. Anyways, gonna get ready to Y'all see that's what that's looking like. I'm gonna scatter that a little bit, you know. I think I may need to put, well, it's just 4 of us. I'm gonna do 1 more can, y'all. 1 more can. So I can make sure that it's enough. My mom loves the green bean casserole. Like when I fix the green bean casserole, everybody, when it's time to take something to whomever house is throwing or whoever's hosting, they require that I bring the green bean casserole. We still have like greens and stuff like that, but my family likes the way that I make the green bean casserole, which is cool. So let me know down below in the comment section what y'all's favorite dish is for Thanksgiving. What I do with mine, I just basically put it in there, put it in the little pan. I turn my oven on, 350, and then I saute my onions and bell peppers and all of that good stuff. I even throw in some minced garlic, and then I put all of that into the pan. So, but yeah, y'all, I'll be right back, okay? Because now I'm getting sidetracked and I need to keep moving because I want to be done at least by 2 or a little bit before 2. So hold on, y'all. Guys, so I just put some evaporated milk, this Eagle brand, and I did vanilla extract, ground cinnamon, ground cloves, ground allspice, and brown sugar. So I'm gonna whip this up, see what it tastes like. I want to show y'all. Oh, I put my pie, one of my pies in the oven, so yeah. Okay, y'all, I got my hickory smoked young turkey, fully cooked from Sam's Club. I got it out and I'm about to put her in here. And then I got my water boiling for my mac and cheese, y'all. It's just some quick mac and cheese. I'm going to, I have some cheese in the refrigerator. So I'm gonna add some extra cheeses to it. What's up, you guys? I haven't done anything to this face. I know, right? But let me tell y'all, my face feels so irritated right now. It's just bumpy and it's just irritated. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna leave my face alone today. I'm gonna let it be. But I did wash my hair and just set it. I just got from up under the dryer. I made a root beer float. Y'all, it's been so long since I've had a root beer float. Just made me a root beer float, y'all. Oh my God. With some vanilla bean ice cream. Yes. Yes. And I'm about to demolish it because I haven't had this in such a long time. It's been raining and gloomy all day. Here go my sweet potato pies. Let me show y'all. These are my pies. Both of my pies. They turned out good. Green bean casserole. It's just my husband and I. I'm about to put the rolls in there in the oven. Here go my rolls. I'm about to melt some butter and get that started. This was my mac and cheese. It was so good with bacon bits in it. And then this was my turkey, smoked turkey. Nobody really ate yet, y'all. We had a little bit of something. That's why I really don't like to cook a lot on Thanksgiving, because like we don't really eat a lot. We got food that's gonna last us for a couple of days or a few days. But I didn't want to waste any money. So we're getting that going. That's what I need to do, is get the butter out of the refrigerator so that I'm gonna use some of this Irish butter. Gonna use some Irish butter, and that is how it looks. Spreadable Irish butter with canola oil made with milk from grass-fed cows. So yeah, we're gonna use that, y'all. But hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, the rolls are buttered and they are about to go into the oven. Rolls are so good, I know, right? So my crust just broke on me, but the girl turned out beautifully. Look at that. Just beautiful. Okay. All right. Now, time for testing. Let's see. Last year, I messed it up. This year, I nailed that thing. Yeah, I nailed that. Sorry, y'all, I'm holding the camera kind of crazy. That's good. Oh my God. Baby, that is good. I'll be right back. Hey you guys, so I am closing out the vlog. I've already washed my face, exfoliated it and everything. Washed my hair. We had a pretty laid back Thanksgiving. We were just chilling all day basically. They pretty much got some rest, some sleep. Talking about my son and my husband. They pretty much slept all day. And then I'm in the bed now because I have to go to work in the morning. I want to say welcome to all the new subscribers. I'm about to get ready to close out this vlog. If you have not subscribed just yet, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button. The next video to follow this one is Days in My Life. So it's like a full week of me working and chit-chatting and catching you guys up with everything that I've been doing for the week. So stay tuned for that vlog. And thanks again, you guys, for watching. I hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.